NET paper leak controversy has exploded. The Bihar Economic Offences Unit has revealed that aspirants paid allegedly 30 lakh rupees for the leaked examination papers. 9 students have been summoned for questioning by the cops. 14 individuals, including a junior engineer, has been taken into custody. This is a preliminary investigation that appears to indicate there was a solver gang in Bihar that orchestrated a paper leak. Even though the government has said there is no information much about the leak of the paper, even if there could be other malpractices here. Printing firms and examination center staff have also been believed to be a part of this scam now, according to what the EOU has been investigating. The gang assembled the students in a safe house, made to memorize the answers before they were dropped off at the examination center. Demonstrations, meanwhile, have erupted in Delhi, Tripura, Kerala. The Congress student wing NSCY, BJP student wing ABVP and the left group's student wings as well have been protesting.
They should have just gone to a thorough inquiry. Arrest should have been made. This is a very serious crime, and it is the future of lakhs of students. And it is better, I appeal to the government of India, allow our states to conduct the exams ourselves. Let all over the students also participate. We'll also give reservation to them, all India level.
हमारे मनीषियों ने कल्पना करी कि भारत विज्ञान और विज्ञान का ऐसा केंद्र होगा जहां दुनिया से लोग चल के आएंगे और अपनी संस्कृतियों के बारे में भी आके भारत में शिक्षा ग्रहण करेंगे। तो कोई इससे असहमति हो ही नहीं सकती। और अगर कोई गलत हुआ है कुछ, तो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि जो जिम्मेदार लोग हैं वो उसको न सिर्फ उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई करेंगे, बल्कि उसको सुधारने का काम करेंगे ताकि भविष्य में ऐसा कुछ भी न हो सके।
What are your main demands?
My main demand is immediately release the date of re-NEET exam. I want a NEET exam should be again to be happen, and immediately arrest of NTA senior officers also. Those are involved in this scam. And this scam is bigger than Vyapam scam, I'm telling you. Again and again. And yesterday, though that happened in Gujarat, you see what happened in Godhra. In Godhra, you see Deputy Superintendent of NTA is arrested by police, Gujarat police. That's clearly shown that this is completely a scam. You see a lot of things. The exam result also come out before 10 days. Why the result is on 4th of June? And lot of students are with us. They also want now that this exam should be conducted again.
Form a committee of educational experts to study the problems concerning NEET and hit to the demand of revoking national level entrance test. NTA should not conduct NEET exam. Government should take the responsibility of conduct it. आज हम शिक्षा भवन के पास डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन किया है। हम चाहते हैं जो नीट में जो स्कैम हुआ है, जो लोग इसमें दोषी आएगा उसको बहुत बड़ा कुछ गवर्नमेंट उसको कुछ ये करे, उसको पनिशमेंट दे।